Good morning, children. Yesterday we learned about the sky and the sun. So today we are going to learn about the next part of the lesson, which is on page number 171. I want you all to read along with me. Okay? It tells about weather and seasons. There is some lines about the weather. See, it is such a beautiful line. Whether the weather be fine or whether the weather be not, whether the weather be cold or whether the weather be hot, will weather the weather, whatever the weather, whether we like it or not. See, it tells that whether we like the climate, whether it is hot, cold, whatever it is, we all still like the weathers which come in our everyday life, is what it tells in short. Okay, the way we live depends on the seasons. Yes or no, children? Every lifestyle of ours depend upon the season. Okay, now example, now it is winter season. We all like to eat hot food, wear hot clothes, and try to stay at home. Okay, and we like to go outside the sun because whole day we are, we feel so cold that we want little hot sun outside. While in summer season it is totally different. We all want to run away from the sun. Okay, now what is weather? Weather is what we have from day to day. Seasons last over many days. Okay, weather is what we get, what changes every day to day. Okay, season lasts over many days. One season is for maximum 3 to 4 months, or no. So seasons last over many days. Okay, you have known that the kind of clothes we wear change according to the seasons. The clothes, as I said, you clothes, we like to wear hot clothes in winter season. In that way, every season makes the lifestyle of a person change according to its characteristics. In winter, we like to have hot food and hot drinks. We prefer to play indoor games like table tennis and carom. Other than that, name any two. It would be like indoor games, whatever it is. Girls like to play with their toys inside, and boys like to just like carom board. You all like to play the ludo. So there are so many indoor games which you all like to do. The days are shorter in winter. Yes or no, children? Morning times, the days are shorter in the winter season. In very cold places, it snows. For example, in like places like Himalaya, in the winter season, it snows. We use heaters to warm our homes. We also use heaters and sweaters for ourselves to warm our houses and ourselves. In summer it gets hotter and hotter. Yes or no? In summer, winter, the summer is totally opposite of winter. It gets hot and hot every day. The winds are also hot. It is called as Lu. The hot winds are called as Lu. That is in the summer season. The sun shines so brightly we cannot like to go out at all. Do you like to play in this hot sun? No. We like to eat what? Ice creams and drink cold drinks. We switch on the fans, coolers, and air condition. Whatever possible ways to get the cold air, no, we try to on all those and sit at home only. And we like to have ice creams and drink cold, something cold. Okay, children? Some animals go to sleep during the long winter months. Okay, why do they do so? How they prepare themselves to face their long winters? See, some animals they like to sleep. For example, the polar bear, that the period where they go and sleep now, that is called as the hibernation period. Okay, children, turn to the page 171, 172, the last part of the lesson. In India, the rainy season lasts from June to October. Some places get heavy rainfall. There are dark clouds in the sky and very strong winds. Some places get flooded. What kind of food do we like to eat in the rainy season? See, children, what happens in rainy season? When does our rainy season start? It starts from June to October. Some places get heavy rainfall. Hmm? There are thick clouds, dark clouds in the sky, and you can see the strong winds. And some places get flooded because of the heavy rainfall. We have all seen the last 2 years, Karnataka is having so much of floods and rains everywhere. Na? that is called as the flood. What kind of food do you all like to eat? It is again the hot food, and sometimes even cold food like ice creams are also enjoyed during the rainy season. Okay, come to the next part. Some countries have spring, some countries have spring just after winter. Okay, trees start getting new leaves and flowers start to bloom. See here, this is called the spring season. Spring is nothing but the outbreak of something new. Something new in the sense the old leaves the old leaves fall down and the new leaves and flowers come up. This is called as the spring season. Autumn is the season just before winter. It is called as the fall as leaves fall from the trees. Here, this is called as the autumn season where all the leaves fall down. Okay, and the new leaves start to come during the spring. The fall of the leaves of the trees is called as the autumn or the fall season. And just after this fall or the autumn season comes the spring season. See, God has made everything in a very systematic way. First comes all the things fall down, then the new things come. For the new things to grow we need water, so the rainy season comes, and for anything to grow we need the sun, so comes the summer season. Okay children, this is the pattern what God has made for the new life to come on earth. Okay, I'll be sending you some question answers about this lesson. So don't worry, just you all read what all I have told you. Try to understand the concept, okay? And all this part we'll be discussing in our online classes. Hope you all have written yesterday's notes and all. Children, please write whatever notes I'm sending to you, because those all things will be asked for your exams, and I'll be adding some more questions about this part to you all, okay? Please don't trouble your parents. Study well and be safe. Thank you.